Well, hello everyone. So summer is back, that's why the bikes are out, and like most of the people, they do ride with gear, but I've seen another band of people, a lot of people who don't really ride with gear, and I can understand. It's their choice. They don't want to wear something which hits them further up. You know, it's already hot, you don't want to wear something getting too hot and actually getting sick. But there are ways you can ride with gear if you feel that you should have something safe while riding. First of all, choose the correct gear, I would say. Yeah, you won't want to wear something completely leather in a very hot day. So if you can find something, a jacket which is either mesh or, you know, has opening for air to flow in, go with something like that. That will be helpful to, you know, for air to pass in, so it will cool you down once you ride. It's still gonna be hot, like when you, especially when you stop at lights and stuff, it's still gonna feel hot, but once you start riding, it will be, the air will start to flow and you will feel normal. The other thing you can do is try to keep yourself hydrated. That is very important. If you're riding for long distances, try to keep a, if you don't have Hydra pack like me, try to keep a backpack with at least a bottle of water or a Gatorade, something in it, so that if it's getting hot, you can at least like keep yourself hydrated. Because in a car we are usually in AC and we are cooled off, but on a bike you get direct sunlight, so you might dehydrate much quicker, and you don't want to dehydrate while you're riding. So keep yourself hydrated. The other thing is, you can actually try avoid bigger highways and go through back roads. I have felt this, that the back roads have, like, because they're not that wide and they have a lot of trees, they tend to be much cooler compared to main highways like the 400 series highway here in Canada. So, and because of the trees, you also get the shade, and because of the shade you kind of don't feel that hot. So these are the few things you can keep in mind, and please ride with safety gear as much as possible, because the whole point of riding is to enjoy. And if you end up, you know, even if you're riding without the safety gear, if you just even end up in a small accident, or you fall, or if your bike skids somewhere, you will end up with such bad rashes and injuries that you won't be able to enjoy the entire season. Once you get rash and stuff, you will have to be on bed. Seriously, that guy puts signal on the other side, turns on the other side. I don't know what's wrong with people there. See, that's what I was talking about. People put signals on the side and then they change their mind. So, yep, that could have happened with anyone. And if there wasn't that much gap, or the guy just turned suddenly, I would have to brake all of a sudden, and there are chances I might skid. So, wear safety gear. Yeah, I think that's all for this video. I don't think there's nothing else I can actually talk about. Yeah. Well, basically there are not that many days which are hot, but there are.